Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix LinkedIn page not loading or stuck on loading screen. First of all, check your internet connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Then force close the LinkedIn app and then open it for temporarily glitches. Next, go ahead and open your app store, look for LinkedIn and see if there is an update button. If there is, update your account to the latest version or delete and reinstall LinkedIn. Your profile information and connection will sync automatically. Privacy tip: when you log in through the official app or LinkedIn account, keep LinkedIn.com, keep your account secure. Quick fix: if the fix still won't load, clear Safari caches, restart your iPhone and try again. Contact LinkedIn support if the page still gets stuck. And that's it. Subscribe